Friends, this is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English literature, the play Tempest. We are going to proceed with the previous tutorials, Act 1, Scene 1. You read already, it was the time when the royal ship of King Alonso, along with all of his well-wishers and friend circle, who were returning after the marriage of his daughter Castwell. Now Prospero got very good opportunity to take the avenge of past grudges. That's why he ordered Ariel, his dedicated slave, to raise the storm, the tempest in the sea. Okay. Prospero very fortunate and lucky one because he was to wait 12 long years to take the revenge of past grudges. Because Antonio, his brother, Alonso, king of Naples, Sebastian, his brother, Ferdinand, the son of King Alonso, all of them, all the culprits are together. It was very good and wonderful opportunity for him to take the avenge of past grudges. And this is why, being a man of power, he had given instruction and order to Ariel to bring the tempest. But one condition would get applied, what the culprits are not knowing, that no harm would be done. But right now they are understanding that death is very close by to them. To mania, panic, terror and horror related to tempest is striking in their mind because they are in the sea and all of a sudden there is raging of the storm, a cyclone, very fast blowing of the wind. All of them are realizing that death is very close by to them. This mania can be noticed in conversation and very hot conversation between the royal person along with the boatswain, the officer of the ship. See the line, very significant. Antonio. Hang कर hang, you insolent noise maker. Line number 45 onwards. Statement of Antonio. Hang कर hang. Antonio becomes very much furious, very angry to boatswain, and by seeing that you don't know how to communicate, you don't know how to talk, we royal passenger, yet you communicate like this, you eccentric one. This is why by being very furious, Antonio is saying that hang kar hang. Kar means dog. A hang means you'll be hanged. So now Antonio is saying that boatswain you'll be hanged, you dog. You insolent noise maker. Insolent means impertinent, badtameez. You are very insolent, very impertinent one. You'll be hanged to death. We are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. Further, Antonio is saying that we do not get more afraid right now the such crucial and tough condition, yet more regarding your nature, your behavior and your conduct. Boatswain, Gonzalo. I will warrant him from drowning. I'll warrant him for drowning, but Gonzalo is saying no, he will not get died by drowning in the sea. Okay, so according to Gonzalo, boatswain will get die by hanging, not by drowning in the sea. One thing more here, suppose boatswain is going to get die by drowning in the sea, it means everyone will get die. So Gonzalo one hand taking very safety hand, that is no, boatswain will not get die by drowning, but by hanging. So by hanging means everyone will get alive, then Gonzalo will give him punishment to be hanged. Though the ship were no stronger than nutshell. So Gonzalo is saying no matter the ship is not stronger than nutshell, yet he will not get die on account of drowning. Boatswain. Lay her a hold. Set her two course. Two course mean main course and sub course. Off to sea again. Off to sea again means off to sea bank. Again. Lay her off. Lay her off means just get detached to the seashore. So now boatswain is giving instruction to the mariner. He is saying that do one thing. Do your best so that the ship not to go to the sea bank, because there is a fear. Fear is of what? Suppose the ship is going ahead, it is in main course, in the main part of the sea, in the deep part of the sea, then it's okay. Suppose coming near the sea bank, there would be shallow water, less water, so the ship will run into the sand. So the life of every person will get into risk. And this is why boatswain's primary concern is that do your best to make the ship off away, to detach from the seashore. Let the ship hold to the main sea. Okay. Mariner. All lost. All lost means all is lost. Two prayer, all lost. Now mariners enter. Mariner is wet. Mariner is saying that all is lost, all is lost. Means the ship is going to be wrecked. Only one thing, that is to do the prayer. Who entered? Mariner. What information? The ship is going to be wrecked. What to do? Only to do the prayer. What instruction? Boatswain was giving to the mariner? Keep away the ship away from the sea bank. Why? Because ship will get into the sand and it will be damaged or wrecked. Boatswain. What? Must our mouth be cold? Must our mouth be cold mean? Must we will get that? Must we will get mean? All of us are going to get that. Going to be cold means going to get that. Now boatswain rather very panicked and saying that what are you saying, mariner? Are we going to get that? Gonzalo. The king and prince at prayer. Let us assist them. Assist here means join, help. So now Gonzalo is saying that right now king and prince both are doing the prayer. Let us go and join the prayer. Why to do the prayer? Who are doing prayer? Actually King Alonso along with his son Ferdinand both are doing the prayer. Why? For the safety of the ship. Think, whatever crime committed by you definitely will be penalized. One who digs the pit further ultimate will fall into. जो दूसरे के लिए कुआं खोदता है वह उसमें खुद गिरता है, और इंसान का किया हुआ कर्म कभी भी पीछा नहीं छोड़ता है. सपोज यू आर टॉर्मेंटिंग अदर, विल बी टॉर्मेंटेड. तुम किसी को टार्चर करोगे तुम्हें उससे ज़्यादा पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. वह अलोंजो, इट वाज नन बट अलोंजो हु डिड along with Antonio exile of Prospero with his innocent daughter Miranda in the sea. It means crime committed by him in the sea and sea is giving the punishment. Okay, so similar pattern it is here. Gonzalo is saying that king and prince are prayer. Let us assist them for our cases as theirs. So now Gonzalo is saying that right now king along with his son Ferdinand both are doing the prayer. Let us join the prayer too. Why? For the safety of everyone. Sebastian, I am out of patience. Sebastian is brother of King Alonso, saying that I am out of patience, I am going to lose of my patience. And this is why we must not torture anyone. We must not commit any crime, commit any injustice to any other one. Otherwise, we'll have to repent. Okay. Next, Antonio. We are merely cheated of our life by drunkard. Now Antonio rather evil-minded, just like Sebastian. Antonio becomes very much furious and angry to boatswain, and he is saying that we are merely cheated of our life by drunkard. Means we are only going to get that on account of such drinkers. This wide-chapped rascal, you know, harami piece. So to whom he is saying? So Antonio is saying that wide-chapped rascal. Wide chap means big mouth. A rascal, you know, wicked person. So to whom Antonio addressed such word? To boatswain. Who is boatswain? An officer in the ship. Okay. So now Antonio become very much furious and saying that whatever problem we are going to chase, now the time has come very crucial that we are going to get die on account of the tempest and blowing of the fast wind. This is only because of such drinker who none but boatswain. How boatswain has been a wide chap rascal, mean big mouth rascal is responsible. Okay. So who is rascal and big mouth? That is boatswain is responsible. Would thou mightiest light drowning? Would thou? Now Antonio is going to wish. Antonio is saying that I wish for such rascal, that is boatswain, that he to be drowned 10 times by the tide. 10 times, matlab his dead body means dead body of the corpse, the dead body of boatswain should be washed 10 times by the sea water of the tide. Whose dead body? Of boatswain. Who is making the wish? Antonio. Antonio is saying that I wish, oh God, let this boatswain, his dead body be washed 10 times by the tide. Means 10 times with tide means what? That is severe punishment, very tough punishment, hard punishment. Mightiest of the drowning, the washing of 10 tides. Who? Washing of 10 tide means 10 tide will wash to the dead body and corpse of the boatswain. It means severe punishment, tough punishment will be given to boatswain. Why? Because boatswain is responsible behind such trouble, according to Antonio. Gonzalo. He will be hanged at. So Gonzalo is saying, no, he will not get die by drowning in the sea. Though every drop of water swear against it. Now Gonzalo is saying, suppose every drop of sea water is swearing. What swearing? To swallow the boatswain, they can't. Gonzalo is saying that I'm quite sure this person means boatswain will never get die by drowning in the sea. Even every drop of sea water will swear, will take pledge to drown him, but they can't. See the line? And gap at wide to glut him. To glut him means to swallow him. And gap it mouth means to open its mouth. Who will gap wide mouth? The sea. So now Gonzalo is saying that if every drop of sea water takes swear in order to swallow, in order to, word use here, glut, even then cannot be successful. Now Gonzalo is quite sure that boatswain will not get die by drowning in the sea. No matter the sea water will swear to glut him, to swallow him, but cannot be successful at all. Confused noise within. There is a confusing sound can be heard. Mercy on earth. So now Gonzalo is saying, oh God, please show mercy upon us. We split. we are going to be broken, we are going to broken, we are going to broken means the ship is going to be broken, so definitely they will be drowned in the sea. Farewell my wife, children, farewell brother, we split, we split, we split. Now Gonzalo is very much afraid. Many are prevailing all around to his mind, and he is saying that farewell my wife, farewell my brother, farewell everyone, because we are going to get die. Why? On account of damaging of the ship, wreck of the ship. Why the ship is going to be wrecked? On account of the tempest. Who is reason behind the tempest? Prospero. Who is Prospero? Prospero is right now a magician, great magician. He is a man of power. He is taking avenge of past grudges against Antonio and Alonso. Who were the reason behind exiling of Prospero from island of Milan? It's clear? Antonio. Let us all sing with the king. Now Antonio is saying that we are all going to be die by sinking in the sea water along with the king. Sebastian, let us take leave of king. Let us take leave of king means let us say goodbye to the king. Let us say farewell to king. Why? Because we are going to get that. Gonzalo, now I would like to give 1,000 furlong of the sea for acre of the barren ground. Now Gonzalo is making a statement just by saying that I am ready to exchange 1,000 furlong of sea water of my land only for an acre of the dry land. It means Gonzalo is saying I want dry land. No matter dry land is desert land, unfertile land, rocky land, thorn related land, but I want dry land. I want to get that to dry place, not to the sea. In this regard, Gonzalo is saying that I can exchange 1,000 acre, 1,000 furlongs of my land to only an acre of dry land. No matter the land should be related to Longhir. Longhir means unfertile land, desert land. Brown forge, thorny land, neglected ground. Thorny plants generally where grow. Anything, the wills above, whatever be right now, our life is going to be governed by the desire of God. Whatever is going to happen in our life, that would be the wish of God. Be done, but I would fain. I would fain means I would be glad to die. Dry death. Dry death means dry death means I would like to get die to dry place, not to sea. Who is saying? Gonzalo. So ultimately now Gonzalo is very sad and dejected. He becomes ready to exchange 1,000 furlong of the sea land to only an acre of the dry land. No matter the land is deserted, unfertile or thorn related. Further he is saying that everything is depending on God. Our life is going to be governed about the merciful God. Ultimately Gonzalo is saying that I want to get die not in the sea but to a dry place. Now this scene is going to get over. In next tutorial we shall study about Act 1 Scene 2. This scene was just about the significance of the storm, the tempest, which was created by Ariel, the potent messenger of Prospero, who was taking avenge of past grudges, and it was against King Alonso and usurer Duke of Milan, that is none but Antonio, the real brother of Prospero. That's okay. Thank you.